let's look at a concept briefly here in our Think Like a CEO app that we want to get you used to recognizing and making a decision on, and that's recognizing when something is wrong. So, for instance, when we look at the headlining act here, despite the fact all the fans out there that love that 1985 rockin' song On Broken Wings, I think you would agree something's wrong here, right? That's the same type of idea we want to have with Think Like a CEO. So let's use an example here. We have our prospect Fomento Económico Mexicano S.A.D.C.B., also known as FEMSA. They're a Coca-Cola distributor in Latin America. And if we see this graph right down here in the bottom, the 3-year revenue trend versus competitors, we call that the dark side of the moon graph because it shares similarities with the different colors moving off the center as dark side of the moon. But we see that something's wrong, right? We see that immediately our prospect is at the lower end, the low end of that graph. Something's wrong. So we're going to be presenting you with graphs and information in Think Like a CEO app so that you can very, very quickly see what's wrong and then translate that into what's happening with the business and hopefully translate that into how your application can drive change in that business and in this case drive revenue and drive value. Thank you.